Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Daniel, and I'm from Scotland, and I'm a master teacher here at English Academy. Now you're probably wondering, Mr. Daniel, what are we going to learn today? Well, today we're going to be talking about when and while in the past tense. Now that brings me to a very funny story. So, I was walking to my house when a stray dog barked at me, and while that dog was barking at me, I saw one of my good friends, Belva, just laughing. It was a pretty funny story. Did you notice in that sentence that I used when and while? Let me tell you how we use when and while. In general, we use while in a clause with a continuous past action, using a verb in its continuous tense. We use when in a clause with a single action, using a simple past. All right, ladies and gentlemen, in case you're confused, let's break it down a little. Let me give you an example. I was making lunch when my cat broke my vase. Alternatively, we can change it to this form. Whilst I was making lunch, my cat broke my vase. Let me give you another example to make sure you understand. Here it is. I was watching TV when my mom asked me to wash the dishes. Or alternatively, you could say, while I was watching TV, my mom asked me to wash the dishes. All right, everyone, really good work with those examples. What we're going to do now is we're going to turn it into a practice, all right? What I want you to do is I want you to fill in the blanks with the correct while or when. Let us begin. I had a nightmare. I was sleeping last night. Is it when or is it while? Good job, everybody. The answer is while. I had a nightmare while I was sleeping last night. Let's move on to the second practice. He was playing basketball. He broke his left arm. Is this when or is it while? Good job, everybody. It is when. He was playing basketball when he broke his left arm. Good job, guys. Really good work. So that is when and while. Let me quickly summarize it for you. So, we use while in a clause with a continuous past action. While I was playing, while I was running, using a verb in its continuous tense. We use when in a clause with a single action, using a simple past. When I ran, when I played. So I was explaining this topic when my brother called, and now he keeps calling over and over again. I swear this better be urgent. But this is my cue to end this session. Thank you again for joining, and I'll see you in the next video.